Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can go back to using both your Joy-Cons together like one full controller. If you have been playing multiplayer games before and want to go back to that original one controller setup, this will be your guide. So let's begin. First of all, go behind your Nintendo Switch and slide both Joy-Cons off the sides of your Switch by holding the small round button on the back and sliding them upwards. Make sure they're both charged and powered on. Now, on the Switch home screen, scroll down to the controller's icon and tap on it. Then select Change Grip/Order. After that, press L plus R on both Joy-Cons at the same time. Repeat the process 2 or 3 times. The system will combine them into one controller. Now you'll see both Joy-Cons appear as a single player slot on screen. Once the Joy-Cons are paired as one controller, press A to confirm. You're now ready to use them like a full controller for any supported game. And guys, that's how you can turn 2 Joy-Cons into one controller on the Nintendo Switch. If this guide helped you out, then drop a like and subscribe for more quick Switch tips. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.